Hello, I'm Jen from Cakey Lulus, and in this video I'm going to be sharing how to use the Prop Options cake compass to decorate a real cake using ganache or buttercream. I'm using white chocolate ganache, but the same technique applies if you use buttercream. So before I get started, I'm going to assemble my cake compass. So I've got a 12-inch dimension disc, my food grade stainless steel plate and my PropSecure pins. So first of all, I'm going to attach my PropSecure pins into the metal plate. And then I'm going to simply take my dimension disc and slot it in place. Now that's assembled, I'm going to bring my cake in and we'll get started. So here I have a 6-inch round ginger and maple cake which I filled with buttercream, and I'm just going to attach it onto a 6-inch round PropSecure cake board using some white chocolate ganache. Now that's on the cake board, I'm going to bring in my cake compass and get it ready for the cake. So I've got the cake compass here and I'm going to use a 6.25 inch additional plate, and I'm going to use that as my ganache plate guide. So it simply slots into place, and then I'm going to pick up my cake and pop that on top. And now it's ready to be covered in ganache. So I'm going to bring in my turntable and my other equipment, and then we'll get started. My cake compass is on my turntable, so now it's ready to cover in ganache. I'm going to be using my Pro Froster, which is what I use for all of my cakes, but you can use whatever you normally would use. I've also got my Lissy Lou mini metal scraper to clean up any edges. I've got a bowl of ganache and an offset spatula to apply it, and I've got a spare bowl for any excess ganache. So I'm going to start off by doing a crumb coat to seal in all of the crumbs on the cake. Now I've finished my crumb coat, I'm going to leave that to set, which should only take a few minutes. I'm going to clear up the extra crumbs that have fallen off the cake, and then we'll do the final coat. My crumb coat is set, and so now I'm ready to add my final layers of ganache. So I'm simply going to pour some ganache over the top and then work it around and onto the sides of the cake. The ganache doesn't have to be perfect at this stage. I'm going to smooth it around with my Pro Froster now. So bringing in my Pro Froster or your scraper, whatever you're going to use, we're going to put it down and line it up so it meets with the 6.25 inch plate. And then holding the Pro Froster still, I'm going to turn my turntable and twist it round to scrape off the excess ganache. I'm going to put that into my spare bowl in case there's any crumbs on it. And then I'm going to go in with some more ganache to fill in the gaps. Once again, using my Pro Froster, lining it up against my additional cake compass plate, I'm scraping away the excess. And then I'm just going to repeat, adding more ganache where necessary and scraping it around until I've got the finish that I'm happy with. And now I have a perfectly ganached cake. To remove the cake from the cake compass, I'm going to take my offset spatula and slide it between the additional plate and the dimension disc. And I'm going to use my fingers and the offset spatula to just lift it off of the cake compass. And that can now go to one side for the ganache to set while I decorate my other cakes. I'll be back once that's set to remove the additional plate off of the bottom of the cake. Now my ganache is set, all that's left to do is remove my cake from the cake compass additional plate. The easiest way I find to do that is to flip it upside down. So I'm going to take a cake board, pop it on top of the cake, and then lift my cake up. With one hand underneath and one on top, I'm going to flip it upside down. Now while it's upside down, I can then take a sharp knife and run it along the edge of the cake. And then the additional plate should just pop off really easily, leaving my cake board underneath so that my cake is ready to be used with any PropSecure cake separator. So I'm simply going to get my cake board, pop it back onto the bottom of the cake and turn it over. And there I have my perfectly ganached cake decorated with ease using the Prop Options cake compass. Comment or send us a message with any questions that you have, and don't forget to head on over to the Prop Options YouTube channel for my other cake compass videos and for tips, tutorials and more. See you next time. Bye!